Yes guys, Lex Olowo here again. So today I want to quickly talk about how to solve all your payment issues on Facebook. Right? So many of you have been trying to run Facebook ads and you've always had this issue that you don't know what to do because it's either that the payment method you have been using was rejected, it's either that so many things are happening right now. So cards are being blocked, so your banks are not allowing you use your cards the way you used to use them before on Facebook. So quickly, I want to show you one solution to all your payment issues on Facebook. Right. So your simple solution on Facebook is to do exactly this. Now, when you get to your Facebook ad account and you can see that your ads are running and all that, all you have to do is go to where you see billing. So when you go to billing, it opens up and you go to payment settings. You go to payment settings. Now in payment settings, and when you are doing this for the first time, you always see the option of either using naira or dollar. Now before now, it didn't really matter because if you were using the dollar method, you were still going to pay with your naira card, the dollar equivalent, and it's not going to stress you. But then right now, the best way to go about your Facebook ad, if you don't want to lose money on it, is to always choose the naira payment method. So this, when you get to this point, you see this info here. Choose when you are doing it for the first time, you're going to see where you can edit it. Choose the naira payment method. Now after you have chosen the naira payment method, this is loading. After you have chosen the naira payment method, the currency, the everything, after you make sure that it is set to naira, when you are making your payment, let's go to try and make a payment. Let it be a prepaid fund account. So the postpaid method would most likely not work anymore. So the postpaid is this method where you had money in your bank account, Facebook, you're running ads, then Facebook is from two to three times in a day, in a week, Facebook goes there and withdraw money for the ad that you have already run. So you're running the ads on credit. That method most probably will not work for most Nigerian cards again. So you need to have the money you want to invest in your ads already ready. Then you deposit it into the prepaid account using this method. So all you have to do is go to billing. Then when you want to add the funds, you go to add funds. So when you click on add funds, this time around you're going to have two options. So the first option is either to pay with your debit or credit card. Then the second option is naira payment method with MasterCard / Visa. Then it pay you. Now always use the second method. So if you put in your card in this first method this time around, it's going to tell you that the card is declined. Contact your bank, whatever. So use the second method and you can pay for Facebook directly with your Nigerian card. Now, if you go to using, why I don't advise people to go about opening a domiciliary account so that they can use the domiciliary account to run ads, is because you are going to lose a lot of money in the process of exchanging naira to dollar. Right? So in the block, because you're going to be paying the dollar equivalent on Facebook, but then you have already paid to exchange the money because it's only dollar cards that actually work if you use that first method. So always use the naira payment method, then use a Nigerian card to make your deposit into your account. So the same thing happens if you are running the ads from Instagram. All you just have to do is link your Instagram to a Facebook account, a Facebook ad manager account, then deposit your money to the Facebook account first before going to choose whatever content you want to post on Instagram, right? So that's the simple solution to all your payment issues. So if you have any payment issues, we're doing something very, very amazing, and what we are doing this time around is called Fix My Ads, right? fix my ads. So if you have any issues with your Facebook ads, all you have to do is go to the description of this video. You're going to see a link. It's going to take you to a landing page where you can book a session with us just to fix whatever ad issues you're having. So this is going to help everything you have with your ads. Your ads are not giving you, they're not converting, you have payment issues, you have ad accounts being banned, whatever you are facing at this time, just go ahead and click on that button. You'll be in a session with us where every of your ad issues will be solved for you. All right, go ahead and do that now, and we will meet in that session where we're going to help you fix your ads. Peace.